Right. So let me share what exactly I did, and I want to share this information that payment link is different and payment page is different. Okay. So what you see is payment link here.
Okay.
And once you share this with anyone and they use this link to pay, you cannot reuse it.
So it's like one-time usage for
One-time usage.
and per person.
Yes. So
Okay.
if you use the same link, if I share this with you, it'll say already paid.
Acha. Okay.
So you cannot reuse it.
Okay. This is link.
This is payment link. You ask for payment link, right?
Yes.
But what you need is payment pages.
Okay.
So I created 2 pages. One is complete YouTube setup and guidance, which
Mhm.
has a specific amount. And I said, build yourself recession proof. That is something else. So I'll show you what I did here.
Yes.
And we can create one for you where I don't know whether you are able to do it right now and hands-on.
Yeah, I think let me try.
है ना?
Yeah.
So let me show that first to you, like how it looks like first, right? So when I edit my page, you can see that I have detail about the picture, what exactly you will get, right? What all things you expect, and then the amount, email, phone number, and that's it. So this link, I am using it in my landing page. So I have a landing page where it's available online. So Google में अगर कोई search करता है recession के बारे में, they will find my page and they will go through it. And if they like it, they will book it. And when they will book it, this page will be displayed for them.
Okay.
And once they pay it, then I have automated that. Once I receive the payment, my Gmail should send an email to them for thanking and waiting for them to next steps.
Wow, I'll need one session for that too.
I'll do it here only. I'll show it's very easy. You don't need to extra efforts, because I was thinking how it's like completely black hole when somebody pays and they don't receive any email or they don't receive any confirmation. They do receive a confirmation from Razorpay, but it's just payment receipt or
Yes,
payment confirmation.
not about the products.
So आपका काम क्या है कि अब next email उनको भेजो and you tell them that this is what is next step. Maybe you want to give them an ebook there, or maybe you want to give a training link, which is a bonus link, which they will attend or do it by the time you are preparing for your entire workshop. So that's what I did. So let me do that. I'll show you how I did it. This is Zapier. Zapier is a free in the sense आप free subscription ले सकते हो. उसको कोई big deal नहीं है. With free, you can create one automation which is enough for us right now. So I've created this Zap for me, which is 7-day challenge. इसमें क्या होता है? जब मेरा Razorpay का payment successful होगा, तो मेरा Gmail एक email भेजे.
So what is this Zapier? It's what it is about?
So Zapier is an automation tool जहाँ पे आप complete automation कर सकते हो. Like for example, अगर किसी ने पेमेंट कर दिया तो आपके थिंक अ फिक्स साइट पे उसने उसका क्रेडेंशियल्स क्रिएट कर देना चाहिए, एंड देन दे शुड रिसीव एन ईमेल फ्रॉम थिंक अ फिट साइट कि भाई तुम लॉग इन करो, गो थ्रू दिस बोनस ईमेल्स, एंड देन यू कैन डिसाइड एक्शंस की. जब उसने लॉग इन कर दिया होगा, देन यू सेंड आउट द नेक्स्ट ईमेल कि भाई थैंक यू फॉर लॉगिंग एंड यू शुड डू दिस सेशंस. सो आप पूरे स्टेप्स कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोसेस एंड ऑटोमेशन. बट मैंने फिलहाल सिर्फ टेस्टिंग के लिए ये एक चीज टेस्ट करके रखी है. For example, अगर आप देखोगे, it's a configuration where I say when I receive a payment, when there is a payment confirmation from Razorpay. So this is my Razorpay payment captured in Razorpay. Send an email in Gmail. Okay. Now when I click on send an email, अभी वो पूरा configure कर सकते हो कि to, from, what name आना चाहिए, email का content क्या होना चाहिए. तो मैंने ये already content लिखा है कि thank you for the payment. You have taken the first step towards your career success. We will share the workshop details soon. Keep a watch in your inbox for an email from this particular thing, and then my tagline. तो ये जब जितने बार भी कोई भी email जो कोई भी payment करेगा, they will receive this email by default, which is a confirmation and which is good, something from our side that you are connected, right?
So their email address that will be taken by.
हाँ, तो अपने payment page पे है ना, ये email और phone address है ना.
अच्छा. Okay.
As soon as you ये पे करते हैं तो ये email पे चले जाता है वो हमारा thank you and confirmation वाला note.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Okay.
let's create your page. You can share your screen and you can log into your payment gateway.
Okay. Can you see now?
Yes, I can see now. Okay, cool. So आप Razor Pay dashboard पे जाइए. Go to Razor Pay dashboard. Create
So this
payment
is,
page.
sorry. Okay. This links I have created, but in that I got that option. Will this link expire or you don't want it to be expired? So for that I have created just, okay, don't expire. So you want, okay, page I should create it.
Page, you create a page. Skip and get started. Fee का product sale.
Okay.
You can do product sale or you can do fee collection, whatever it may be. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can enter a title on the left side, top.
Mhm.
Cool. Now product image, if you have the way I had an image, like अगर आपने कोई image बनाया होगा, तो you can add image on the top first, like product image जहाँ लिखा है ना वहाँ क्लिक कीजिए ना, यहाँ पे हाँ, और वहाँ पे नीचे में ना ये सेंटर वाला जो आइकन है वो क्लिक कीजिए. हेडिंग 2 के नीचे में 3 आइकन्स है,
Okay.
एक लिंक
Okay.
है.
Okay. Got it.
Now you can select the image which you created for your program, for your packages. Or you can create anything, like you can select any picture if you have. You can later on go and change it because that you can edit it later. Okay, you add the description of that. Sorry.
I was just reframing that the product, and I have to go here for.
Correct.
Yeah.
You can add wherever you want. You can delete everything from this page, whatever you see here, and you can add an image. Talk about what exactly positive parenting is. Talk about the process a little bit.
I can,
हाँ करेक्ट. तो ये तो एक्चुअली प्रोडक्ट सेल है, तो शिप नेक्स्ट डेज एवरेज डिलीवरी टाइम ये तो आपको लगेगा नहीं.
physical product, yeah.
So ideally what you do is you select everything and remove it and add your own text. Okay, and then you can at the bottom you can add social media icons. ये add पे लिखा है ना, add social media share icon. हाँ, बस इतना काफी है. And then on each पेज पे जाके आप लिंक अटैच करो अपना. Like for example, if there is a Facebook, click on that.
It's not working.
This is not clicking. Okay, no worries. Go up on the top. ठीक है. उसके बाद और एक चीज I would recommend is scroll down. Sorry. Add terms and condition that once the payment is done, it's not refundable.
So here, contact us.
Yes, email support. Email. You put your email address. You put your phone number, and in your terms and condition, you add once the payment is done, it's a non-refundable, because that is something which you really want to make sure that everyone understands this.
So I should click on this terms and conditions.
Yes.
Okay. Once payment done, non-refundable.
Yes, it is non-refundable.
Just okay, non-refundable.
Yeah, you can do that as well. Non-refundable. Yeah, you can do. Okay, then you scroll up.
Okay. And here, what is this goal tracker? Anything?
Click on that, and then you'll see what all actions people should take. You want to track. So it's basically what is your goal of tracking that progress bar of the people, like payment हुआ नहीं हुआ, आप कौन से level में हो, आपने देख लिया, आपने email भर दिया, आपने phone number डाल दिया, you have to pay. All the fields they can capture. Okay.
So like many times we just enter the details, but payment time people just think twice.
True. That way. अभी amount जो है यहाँ पे price field, you can add your price. Fixed amount.
Price, it's not working. Okay.
Now there is fixed amount. Yes, click on that and enter your amount. Save. If you want to add GST, anything, then you can add new field. Okay. But if you don't want to add GST, if you want to add their address or something, you can add new input field में डाल सकते हो आप. And you can add anything like your number, your email, your phone number. अब scroll करेंगे down, you'll see what.
Okay, just one second. Email this I have to add for my if I want to, and
No,
this.
it's already there.
Okay.
Email and phone number is already there. No.
Okay, right.
So scroll down. No,
Yes.
no. On that bar.
Okay.
यहाँ पे स्क्रॉल है ना, वो नीचे करो तो आप अपना लिंक भी डाल सकते हो टू कनेक्ट टू योर वेब पेज, या फिर आप पैन नंबर उनका ले सकते हो
अच्छा.
to have that information. You can pick a date for booking your slot, right? That way you can add any fields you want to. Okay.
And here this will be for them to add.
For the users, yes. For the clients, this is the payment details are for clients.
Okay.
Okay. Now when you create and publish the page will be available for you to copy the link and paste anywhere where you want. And everyone will be able to pay from that link.
I didn't get, can you please repeat it?
So now when you add your product image, your descriptions, everything is done, you're ready to release your page. On the top right corner, create and publish page ka option hai. You can create that. Now go to page setting.
Okay.
Now page setting mein no expiry date hai. URL of this page, you can create your own URL of this page. Like for example, Runali or Positive Parenting, whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Right? And after successful payment, if you want to show a custom message or you want them to redirect to a specific website, like agar aapke paas koi website hai, you can redirect them after payment, which is the right way to do it. As soon as someone pays, so I have a website. What I do is when somebody pays it, they are automatically redirected to my landing page or my website. So they go through what exactly I have done so far, what all blogs I have written, what all talks I've done, what all YouTube videos are available, what all podcasts are there. And then all of the information they can go through before they meet me, right? So you can redirect to your website if you have a blog page, right? And then that's it. So far we need
this show custom message. This they will be receiving as in their inbox, in their message box. Like
yes.
Okay. Fine. Like
thank you for the payment, and the same message you can give it here rather than sending out an email.
Okay. Just if I try, I'll just. Thank you for the payment.
सेव कीजिए इसको, इतना ही फिलहाल काफी अपने लिए. And what I recommend is आप इसको 99 rupees कीजिए amount को, and you test it out by paying the particular link.
Okay. To my account. Okay.
So to your account and see what happens. Do you get an email? What kind of email you get? You want to refine it? You want to change the customer experience? So once you create and publish this page, you get a link. You send that link to yourself and see how it works.
Okay.
See the experience. Is it looking good? Is it looking bad? Is it looking something? So cosmetically, if you want to change anything, you can do that here. Okay. Once you save this page, you can copy this link and put it in your webinar for everyone. The way we receive Dev Gadvi's links is similar.
So if I want to change later amount, so I should, do I need to create a separate one?
No, you can come here, edit the page, edit the amount, everything that can be edited here.
Okay. So just one thing, okay, you're telling me to test that one, but you have done, so that payment option, what will be coming?
What do you mean by payment option?
Means like I am the user, I have this amount is there, I'm entering my email, phone number. I'll test now. Right?
Yeah, you can see, what happens. No, you cannot do it now. Save it.
I have to
cancel this. Publish the page.
Okay.
Go to your dashboard. Now copy this link. Page URL लिखा है ना?
Copy.
ये आप paste करो अभी. Somewhere, wherever you want. Okay, now you paid. You put your email address, your number, pay. valid number, remove 91. Now you get an option of QR, blah, 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 blah.
Achha, all these things are coming.
And then when you pay, you get a message. As many times as you want, you can pay this. It's nothing like that. Clear?
Yes, very much. So I just have to keep sending this link to people.
Yeah, just copy this link and send it to in your webinar. If you want to book it right now.
So in the chat, I should send,
yes.
Not okay.
Yes. And nobody will go and nobody. How will people pay?
Yes, they are not able to. So that was my thing. Okay, in my presentation they cannot, because some of the things I've seen where in the presentation they are maybe creating another page and adding that page. I think Bhavesh has done that. He has presented his, then he has created. Okay, maybe I have misunderstood things.
Because see, when you're sharing, I cannot click, no?
Right, that is there.
So unless and until you share it on the chat, the link, I won't be able to click on it. And then once you define the price, everyone who is clicking on that link will be able to pay the same price. But if you create payment link, only once the payment will be done, and then it will be every time you try to pay it, it'll say paid. So payment link hum use nahi karenge. Payment link, I have used payment link for one specific client. It was a one-on-one client. So he used that and that is completely done, finished. So आप इसको pay करके देखो and see how it works. And see what message you get.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Like
pay कर दो. Okay. Now you'll see that this will automatically be updated, and then confirmation वगैरह सब आ जाना चाहिए.
Okay. Here this has come. Payment successful.
Now you check out your email. Payment successful. Now, did you get a message? Did we add a message?
I didn't get any message.
No. From the page, you check custom message आपने add किया था क्या?
Wait, I didn't get any.
No. From the
email?
From the Razor Pay configuration page का configuration. Can you go edit this? Edit page पे click कीजिए on the top left and go to settings. Page settings. The center top button. Center top.
Center pay top. Okay, sorry. Okay.
No worries. Thank you for the payment. ये तो आया ना आपको? Thank you for the payment.
No, I didn't receive this.
आया ना? Once the payment was done, thank you for the payment.
Okay, just in my page it has shown, but.
हाँ, ये positive fee packages में जो था आपने thank you for the payment आया था ना?
Right.
वो message है ये.
Okay. So this as a user, I'll get payment successful.
हाँ, thank you for the payment आया. But email में तो वही email आएगा जो आपको इधर से from the Razor पे you've received that you have received an email. But what's the next action is something very in the dark. What exactly we need to do next, or what should I do next? Payment तो कर दिया मैंने. The question will come is, client will say, अरे now what should I do?
So this one, Zapier.
हाँ, आप Zapier में जाइए. आप register कीजिए इस पे. Get started free. वैसे there are different options to automate. So you sign up with your email, which is what you want to share it with your communication with your clients. Okay, continue as Runali. Oh, hang on, it'll automatically start. So you say business owner. Business owner and 1 to 49. Continue. So creating a news app, okay, from Razorpay. Choose event which says payment capture. Continue. Now you choose your Razorpay account. Which one is it? KM. Oh. So your home, your Razorpay ID, you have a Razorpay ID, okay, which is KLT. This is your merchant ID, okay, CNT4.
This one.
Okay. Now you go back to this CNT4. Okay. Now continue. Then test trigger. There must be some payment. Okay. So this is what you've done. Whatever, you must have received some payment on your Razorpay earlier, right? Which is okay. Now continue. And then you say action send email to choose an event, which is send an email. Okay. Now send an email. Say okay. And you connect your Gmail account, which is this one or this one?
First one, first one.
Okay. Allow and continue. And then you set an action that who will this message be sent to. So for example, you search this email ID. So email is something which you want to always do, right? Is there a CC? Is there a BCC? No, not always. From, you should say from whom? Runali. Okay. From name, you can say RUNALI. ARROJULA. Right?
Yes.
This is the name you want to send to. Specify a single reply address, not read it. I mean, just say email address. Okay, whoever it may be. And subject is thank you for your payment. Maybe like this. Okay. And then you enter your thank you for the payment. You want to add some text? Then you say, please, what do you want to say in this email? Nali, can you hear me okay?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. I'm just thinking like you will get your package, your program details.
Please watch out for more details from this email. And you say whatever your email is, runali.arru, sorry, ojula@gmail.com. Then you say make sure you allow this this email in your inbox. Talk to you soon. not. ऐसा आप एक ईमेल डाल सकते हो, right? And then signature में आप अपना signature डाल सकते हो. You can add a label if you want to send a attachment as a ebook. You can send it here, right? And continue. Okay. Now test action. Now this is testing. You might receive an email. Okay. ये हो गया आपका publish. ठीक है. Let's see if you have received an email from Zapier. See. Thank you for the email. Please watch out for the more details. Cool. So okay, now this is what is required for you. Every time now anyone is paying you, you will get this particular automation triggered. Now you can go and edit this automation email message, whatever you want to, by clicking here, like Untitled Zap hai, so you can click here, add a name, for example, Positive Parenting Zap, right? Like I did, as I said, right? And अगर आपको email edit करना है, तो आप यहाँ पे click करके, you have this option of editing here. Okay? तो आप ये text edit कर सकते हैं whenever you want to. Okay? And whatever you want to put, you can do. And every time you receive a payment, this particular email will send to the recipient. So now you have a communication started. You have your person, maybe what you can say, you can give them a WhatsApp link to join. Or maybe you can ask them to join the Facebook group. Then they are automatically coming in your tribe. You start nurturing them until you conduct your one-on-one consultation or whatever it may be. Right? So stop remote control, and you can go through this. Now your payment link is ready. Your automation is set up. I want to also do. How do you book your appointment? Do you use Calendly?
Right now I'm not using it.
Okay, I will do that. Show that to you as well. It's very easy. Requesting control again. You have to give me that. So there's one more automation you can do. Like, you can create an account on Calendly. Okay. Oops, my bad. Sorry. And what happens is, like, you can share that Calendly link with everyone. And once they book the calendar, they automatically receive a Zoom link. You automatically receive an email that someone has booked your calendar. Your calendar has booked on your Gmail. So Google Calendar block ho jata hai automatically, which is very helpful. So I don't know whether get started hi karna padega because you've not used it so far. So sign up with Google. And this looks like your email ID. Hello. Are you using Zoom for your connects?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. This is better. So you can create events, like for example, आपका positive parenting का एक session होगा, एक one-on-one consultation होगा, freelancing consult. Right. So I've created multiple events, like one-on-one consultation is one. I'll create a one-on-one consultation for you. Like abhi aapka 30 minutes booking one-on-one, which is good. You can use exactly the same thing, right? What is this event? It's 30 minutes, and then whoever receives or reach out to this particular booking link, they will be able to book your slot. Now you can define what is your slots. right? What is your workflow, or what happens, like text notification जाना है, email reminder जाना है, email additional resources जाना है, what happens before 30 minutes of the talk, everything you can automate. आप ये वो automation यहाँ पे भी define कर सकते हो. Now booking the time is, you can select what is your availability. You can set your custom hours, like every day you are available whatever time zone. Okay, you can define, like Saturday Sunday आपको छुट्टी लेनी है, you make them unavailable, but 95 every day you are available. This is your time slot. For example, I'm just creating this as a sample. Now this event link is created, and if I go back and I use this link, copy link, and if you send this to someone and they paste it, they will be able to see your calendar. So ऐसा एक पूरा calendar दिखता है, where they can go and select the time and say, okay, 3 p.m. I want to book. चलो confirm करते हैं. Then you name and detail and schedule an event. So ये automatically event schedule हो जाएगा, but there is an integration which is required, which I'm going to do that for you. Integrations, and you can integrate Zoom. तो ये क्या होगा कि whenever somebody is booking your calendar, automatically Zoom link create होके वो आपको enter करना पड़ेगा यहाँ Zoom का credentials.
So my email address.
Yeah, Zoom credentials, whatever it means.
Sign in?
हाँ, sign in. So now you allow this app. Now this is all integrated. Now, for example, if I go to your calendar and I book the time, आपके Zoom में वो time का automatically एक event create हो जाना चाहिए. तो अभी ये calendar invitation I will send to your email address. Now go to your email and see आपके calendar में, आपके home में वो event automatically आ जाता है, right? If you go to scheduled event, you will see कि अजिंक्य ने 30 minutes का schedule किया है.
Even I received, but meeting with you is there.
Yeah, see.
Yes.
I have received an email. See this. That meeting is scheduled with Runali. Whatever I count. So मेरा 30 minutes का slot है. I've got details of scheduling, everything is. So you can use this for scheduling one-on-one. This looks a little professional. You cannot just send a link and ask them to join. Zoom का link, right? Usually what we do is हम Zoom का link copy करके भेज देते हैं तो join कर. But what I do is usually कि भाई this is my calendar. Find a time. Be an authority to give your availability to people. Like you should not tell them that you are always available, na?
Right.
So आप अपना time दिखाइए, and then you let them book your slot. Let them pay. Payment should be automated. Booking should be automated. अभी ideally ये सारा कुछ automated हो सकता है. Everything. You just need to send one link, और वो भी link की जरूरत नहीं है. Ideally होता क्या है? The funnel which they call is your landing page. वो वेबसाइट होती है आइडली एक, और वो वेबसाइट में people search and people see and they say okay I want to book. Once they book, ये सारा कुछ automated हो जाता है. Everything. So you don't have to do anything. That's what automation is. तो अभी तो फिलहाल आपको थोड़ा टाइम है उस लेवल तक ऑटोमेशन में पहुंचने के लिए. But I think this is a good start for you to understand how automation works. It's very easy for you to manage thing. आपके पास बहुत टाइम बच जाता है क्योंकि मैनुअल चीजें करने में ना अपना टाइम चले जाता है.
You don't have to give personal attention to these things.
Yeah, definitely. So payment link done है, Zapier configuration हो गया है, Calendly configuration हो गया है, and Zoom हो गया.
Every time I have to share this link, Calendly and do this.
So usually what happens is sometimes people will reach out to you कि I want to talk to you or I need your help. That could be one initiation. So you send them a Calendly link, ask them to book a slot. When they book a slot, you have a discussion, you're trying to close it. Once they are okay, send a payment link on that call itself, Zoom call. And once they pay, you get a confirmation, they get an email. That's the process.
Oh, okay. Wow, this was like mind-blowing
No,
session.
that's how the process works. ना अभी हम लोग ऐसा अलग-अलग कुछ करते हैं, क्या करें क्या नहीं. But ये हमारा process अगर हम set करते हैं ना, तो हम वैसे ही follow करेंगे. That's how we should.
Because technically, I'm like not in anywhere related to this.
No, this is good. I mean, you should learn. I mean, we are solopreneurs, na Runali. We are not from an entrepreneur background. We have to learn things.
Correct.
So.
Oh my God, this was like awesome. So much, grateful for this session and.
I'll share this link with you if you want to go back and check out.
Sure.
है ना?
Many of them in our journey, and or even if you want to, conduct, just give a recorded video.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put this on YouTube now. I'm gonna share it on Dekho Bhai. Chalo.
Right.
All right. Any questions you have? If you try it, you try creating multiple pages. Unless you have hands-on on creating multiple pages, you will not understand what to do and keep on testing it. कि क्या-क्या चीज क्या-क्या functionality work करती है. You look at that particular page. What all options you have? What all options you need from the client as your lead magnet as well. Because once they submit an email on your Razorpay dashboard, you get those emails and phone numbers. So that those could be your future database of your clients for nurturing them, for high ticket closing. So these could be considered as one of your databases.
Awesome.
Right? Cool.
Thank you so much for your time, your
No worries.
patience.
No worries. Chalo.
Yeah. Okay. Have a great day.
All right. Bye-bye. Take care.